welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I heard it's pretty fun, so you should definitely stay around. So today I updated my phone. It took me about 3 hours to make it cute with the iOS 14. So I was like, you know, time is time. I might as well share my knowledge on the widgets and all that. It's such a weird name. I thought those were the things for the Crocs. I could be wrong, but anyways, and then I'm just gonna do what's on my iPhone. I don't even know what to say for that, but we'll just figure it out while we're doing it. But yeah, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and let's just get into it. Alrighty, let's just get screen recording so I can show y'all the dealio. Okay, so this is my home screen right now. Honestly, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I was gonna do multiple screens, but it took me so long, I got discouraged. So my home screen is the only one that is decorated right now. That's my next screen. It looks awful, I know. But first, let's just focus on the iOS 14 and then we'll go into what's on my iPhone. So here on my screen, I just have everything that I use normally. I don't really even use this, it's just literally for looks. But so all of the ones with the actual YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, I actually made those on PicMonkey. If you have PicMonkey, I don't know another way to make them besides PicMonkey, but I use it for YouTube to edit my thumbnails and stuff like that. So I saw that under their graphics they have social media and stuff, so I made them with the shortcuts, which I can show you how to make right now. But I made those, and you can customize the colors, which is really cool. So for the TikTok, instead of it being the blue and the red, I did a beige and pink, and then anything else you can do too. So I fixed up the Instagrams, Instagram, camera, and all that stuff. And then the other ones, the self-love and where my mail, my Gmail, my photos and all that are, I got those off Pinterest. I literally just looked up pink aesthetic pictures or something like that. But I want to show how to make the widgets first. So I'm gonna go on over to this screen and I'm gonna go into Widgetsmith. And so there's varying sizes of widgets, but I have only used the small and the medium. The large ones are way too big. So the small is the ones that I focus on for the pictures, and you can literally just go in. I set it for all day so they don't change, because you can make them change, but I feel that's way too advanced for me. So then you would just click that default, and you can literally pick any photo that you want. You can choose a photo, go into it, and pick anything you want. And then for medium, I wanted to do something with a date, and so they have all of these really cool. You can do time, you can do clock, you can do the date, the day, or you could also make those into photos too if you wanted to, or you can make your own custom quote. They honestly have so many. It's really cool. I'm just kind of scrolling through to show you. But you can pick your own font. I just went with New York because I think it's the most simple and classic looking. And then you can change your tint color, which is really cool too. So you can kind of get that varying. And then you can change your background color. And I went with the pale pink. It doesn't really match, but it matches the best. You can also try to make a custom color, but it was it's super hard to do that. I don't know. Maybe I'm just not tech savvy. I'm sorry if there's so much banging. They're doing construction here constantly, and they've been doing it since 7 o'clock this morning, so I was I just need to film. And then you can also do a border. I didn't personally do a border, but you can do whatever you want. And so whenever you're gonna put the widget on, sorry, my camera cut off. I'm gonna start screen recording again. I always run out of space. I feel I delete everything off of there and I still run out of space. Anyways, I'm gonna teach you how to do the widget. So basically you're just gonna hold down your home screen, and then at the top left corner there's a plus sign, and you would scroll down all the way to Widgetsmith, and that's where you would add your widgets, which is really nice, super easy. And then you can hold down again, oh, hold on, and then like switch them around or whatever you wanted to do like that. Oh, I need to sit up straight, I look hunched. Okay, then for shortcuts, honestly, I don't know how to like minimize, like whenever you go into the shortcut, I don't like for it to go to the shortcut app and then the actual app. I can't figure out how to do that yet, so if you know, comment down below so you can help someone. But so I'm just gonna go into the shortcut app and I'll just show you how to do it. So you would do add action. For this, I would do scripting. You would do open app, and then once it says scripting open app, you would pick choose, and then I could do one for, I don't know, my Chick-fil-A app. And then you would press next, shortcut name, you would do Chick-fil-A or whatever you wanted to do. Then you would go, oh sorry, I did it really fast. So there's 3 little dots in the right corner of the Chick-fil-A. I would tap that. I would go to the other 3 dots below the done. And then I would say add to my home screen. And then where it says Chick-fil-A home screen name and icon, I would click the little purple picture, choose photo, and then you could literally pick any photo. I'm gonna pick this one. Doesn't make sense, but either way, add, done, and then it's right here. But you see how it takes you to the shortcut app? I don't like that. But either way, that's how you do it. At the bottom, I have like, this one is so cute. I want to show y'all the picture, like what it says. Sorry, I have like so many pictures of Rosie. But it says, sorry, the person you're trying to reach has moved on. I've been dating my boyfriend for 6 years. What am I talking about? Anyways, I just thought it was cute because it's a phone. But I have like my Spotify and stuff at the bottom with the headphones. This is Safari? Yeah, I just ordered Chewy's. And then my Snapchat, and I also made that one too. But yeah, that is the simplest way that I've found to make my home screen cute. And I found all the pictures on Pinterest. So yeah, let's just get into what's on my iPhone. Okay, so like I said, my other home screen is not organized at all. Also, can we look how many emails I have? 21,391. Like, I'm not famous. Like, why can't I read my emails? Who knows? So I just have like all of the useless apps. They're not useless. The ones I don't use, and like utilities, productivity, stuff like that. Actually, I have some of the apps I use, like Lightroom and utilities, and then I have my Chick-fil-A. Y'all, I love Tezza. Super cute. And then I have like Retouch, Rimini. Y'all, if y'all don't have this app, you need to get it because it like clears up your pictures for you. So if your picture is blurry or something, Rimini clears it up. And then Retouch is a really cool one too, because if you have like something in the background that you don't want, you can take it out. If you have a blemish, you can take it out too, like this one on my head, which I wish I had Retouch for that. And then all my other ones are for school. And then I have like my entertainment, Netflix, Hulu, DirecTV. And then for my favorites, I have like all of my social media. I don't even know I have Facebook Messenger. I don't even message people on Facebook. Like my mom like will send me stuff sometimes. Kind of weird. Not kind of weird that she sends me stuff. Kind of weird that I have Messenger. But you know, TikTok, I'm gonna open it so you can look at my username. Follow me. I'm just kidding. And then I have like YouTube Studio, which I like track my subscribers, my views and stuff on when I don't have my computer with me. Messages, why do I have 117? Like, I'm literally don't do anything. I just am terrible. I'm that one friend that doesn't answer your messages. I know. That is so terrible of me. And then like the blue mail is my like personal email, then the Gmail is my school email. For some reason I can't look at those either, mainly because when I open my school mail it gives me anxiety. And then I have my Spotify. I don't know if y'all wouldn't like my playlist, it's weird. And then scroll over, then like Safari. Latch is how I get into my apartment, which is really cool. It's a mobile key. But yeah, I don't think there's really anything else that's interesting. You can try to look. Oh, on this one I have like all my other school stuff. Starbucks, you know, you got to have that app. And then over here is where I keep my stuff for YouTube. I keep it separate because I like access it a lot, so I rather just have its own page for it. So this is, I use Fonto obviously to put like fonts and stuff on my pictures. I use Over to resize to thumbnail size, because it doesn't mess with the like pixels of the picture. It doesn't make it too big, so that I'm able to use it as a thumbnail, which is really cool. And then I feel like everyone knows what Pixar is. Seriously, the best app. I was thinking actually you could probably make some really cool widgets with PixArt, because they have so many cool things on this app, seriously. So yeah. But anyways, yeah, I think that's all. I hope I explained everything well. I think I did. But yeah, if you have any questions, definitely leave them down below and I can help you out with anything you need. And if you just need to talk in the comments, I'm always down for a good conversation. So yeah, if you like this video, hit that big thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button. I am literally 8 subscribers away from 300. I feel like it's the longest, like, I like cannot get there. So definitely subscribe. But yeah, I will see y'all next time. Love y'all so much.